So
What? They're doing a big one.
1, 2, 3, right?
What the fuck?
One of them.
Oh my god.
It hit me. So
Yeah, it hit me too. It also hit me. So.
Oh my god, I just think that we're all gonna die. Oh my god, you alright?
Yeah.
Everybody's right though, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
You want me to do the hose?
Get your hair!
Can I get water in this?
Yeah, let it go.
Wait. Let me get a second.
So I'm slightly bleeding.
Oh my god!
But it's fine.
Oh, you're bleeding?
It's a band-aid.
Just a little.
Very 4th of July. Gee, what did it do?
Damn, oh, that's a fun scar.
Whew. Yeah, it didn't hurt that bad. No, I think that's just like a bruise.
Maybe you should go inside and clean it though. And also
Yeah.
have to check crazy mosquitoes.
Yeah, I'll come with you.